What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Just had a shower, feeling fresh. You know, you have those days where you shower in the morning and a few hours later you're like, I feel a little bit nasty, and you shower again. Woo! So we're gonna go with our friend Polygon. It's currently sitting at 95 cents, up 0.11 on the day. Seeing a market cap of 8.18 billion. 24-hour volume is up 623 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to BitGet, make sure to sign up. Grab up to $8,000 in deposit bonuses. No VPN required for my US traders. 10% rebate on your first trade of at least 100 USD. For my subscribers only. Email me or sign up email. Once you make your first deposit, I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. Just going to take a little bit of a breath. Whew. Said that a little bit too quickly. So we're going to go with our friend Matic. I'm just going to remove this. Gave it a little trade signal. That has been playing out nicely here. So we pushed up to 97 cents. As you can see, we have resistance here. And if we scroll back on the chart, just going to quickly open this up. Support in this area, support here. Oh, no, we have to look one line down. So we wicked down a little bit. We do have more support in this area around $1. So about 97 cents to about $1 is a strong level of resistance for the price of Matic. So as you can see, we are currently seeing a little bit of rejection off that level. I'm sure if I zoom into the 1 hour time frame, we probably have a bearish divergence. Yes, we do. We're creating higher highs, lower highs, signifying that the bulls can be running at a strength here. And money flow, we have a bearish divergence. Price is pushing up, money is flowing out. That means as FOMO is pushing up the price, the whales and the smart traders are starting to take their profits, because someone always has to be buying the coins and someone always has to be selling, and the whales take advantage of the newbies who don't know what they're doing and FOMO in, and that's when they start to take their profits. And when the newbies are panic selling, that's when the whales begin to buy. So we'll hop over to our next chart, which is our Elliott wave count here on the 1 hour time frame. So as you can see here, a nice wave 2 pullback and looking to push up in our wave 3. Now what I think is completed here is a potential sub wave 1 to the upside. So if we do start to pull back with this bearish divergence here, you would look for a pullback in between 81 and 86 cents. Which is in between the 0.5 and the 0.786, which is the ideal zone for a wave 2 pullback. The minimum target is the 0.382, coming in at 0.888. All right, guys. But I do think there's a higher likelihood of us at least pulling back to about 86 cents in a wave 2 before seeing continuation. Now, if price were to continue to explode to the upside, all it means is this first wave is not complete yet. And you have to change up the wave count for the smaller waves, for the sub waves. But when you have a bearish divergence like this, you're pushing up into resistance. It can be more confluence that you will see a pullback for the price. All right, so we're going to hop over to our next chart here. We invalidated our bearish count, so we can completely take this wave count off the table. That we were coming down in a wave 1, looking for a wave 2 pullback, because we broke the high of wave 1. I said, look guys, if we come up and we start to break 94 cents, then there's a higher likelihood we're going to come all the way back up and retest these highs. So there's definitely looking like strong potential for a bottom being in for Matic. So I don't think the bottom is in for the market, but if Bitcoin pushes to 24 to 25K, what I think is likely to happen for Matic is we see a nice push, quite possibly up to about $1.44. Potentially a little bit higher. Maybe we push up to about $1.70, and then Bitcoin comes down to 11 to 13K, and then that's when Matic sees a much larger pullback, but fails to put in a lower low, which would suggest that a potential bottom is in for the price of Matic. I definitely think that is now on the table. I was looking for a lower low, but now that we've come up and broke 94 cents, that looks much less likely in my opinion. So in the short term, if we do pull back, which I do think is probable here, look for a bounce in between 81 to 0.866 cents with a minimum target of 88 cents. If we do continue to explode here, then all you have to look at is a larger wave 1 to the upside, but would be healthy for us to see some pullback, and that's what the indicators are showing us as we've pushed up to a nice level of resistance here at 97 cents. Of course, we can push a little bit higher to maybe $1, but I do think some pullback would be healthy and does look probable in the market. So that's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to BitGet, grab up to $8,000 in deposit bonuses. Email me your sign-up email after you make your first deposit. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And at the 10 USD membership, you can get early access to my analysis as well as my trade signals recently locked in. Some partial gains on Solana. I have about 4 trades open currently here while we're rallying to the upside. So I'll see you in the next video. Wow, it's so bright. That looks absolutely terrible. Let me crank it down. How's that? A little bit better? All right, peace. Much love.